Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily move your file from downloads to books. You know that it file must be a text file, so you need to know it. And just open files, first thing you need, and just choose download you want to move, for example this one, and you just need to tap here, so just tap here, and after you will see here different apps you can also use for this file. And if you don't see here books, just tap on more, and here you will see all list of your apps on iPhone, and here you will see books, so just tap on books, and now you can see that it successfully opened in books our app. So here you can see that we open it in books. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.